There's no good answer. I said as high as you can. You're not pushing yourself. You're supposed to reach as high as you fucking can the first time. As high as you can.
After 5 seconds, my flexibility.
No, that's not the answer is,
You gotta figure it
you
out.
thought, okay, as high as I can. Oh, as high as you can. As high. No, I said as high as you can. But that's what people do. They're not putting their full effort into things. And so, you know, it's very important because we have assembled a dream team. Who's seen the Redeem Team documentary on Netflix?
I almost watched it.
So it's really good. But you know, we've assembled a dream team. But you can have a dream team, and you can get lackadaisical commitment from some of the members or something like that. And the dream team that we've assembled is not because we went and cherry picked the best agents out there. It's not because you know, we stole employees from somewhere else. It's not because somebody's skill set is the highest. It's because we pick people with grit who want to prove that they can do something that other people think they can't do. That's, to me, what makes people really valuable. And so, you know, we want to see a high level of commitment from the people in that, because I don't want people to just have a job here. If somebody just thinks, this is where I work, I hate it, can't wait to go home, then you can fucking quit. Like, I don't need you at all. I don't need anybody to do that. Save me the trouble of firing you, because I don't like firing people, but we will fire people when they hurt the team, because the team, the people that are in the room are the most important people. When one person is hurting the rest of them, that's not good for us, okay? It's not good for any of you for us to allow that. So don't make me fire you, just quit if you can't really commit to the level that you need to commit to be part of something, you know, awesome. Because to me, it is awesome. So if it's not awesome to you, you know, good riddance. Who thinks it's an awesome place to work or a good thing to be a part of? So, let's just, you know, kick ass. We don't, it's, you know, this is the buyer and heat season. I said it last year. You know, this is the time to spend all your energy trying to get in front of people. And, you know, we have the manpower really to touch every single person in that CDM that will answer the damn phone. We should be calling every one of them. We should be, you know, doing everything we can to get in front of more people. We should be taking as many transfers as we can, calling people, you know, answering the phone as fast as possible and getting into an agent. You shouldn't have downtime when you have people to call, and you really shouldn't have downtime at all this time of year. You know, again, like everything that's made me happy in life has been feeling like I have a purpose. Because if you just kind of like float through and go home and watch the news and, you know, eat some, you know, stovetop beef stroganoff, and, you know, and you know, and you're just getting this like shitty life that you don't really, you're not helping anything. You're not helping any individual. You're not helping an organization or a concept or a culture or anything. It's just, it sucks. And so, like, why would anybody want to like coast through life and do that? That's not what we want here. And so I hope that you guys can rise to the occasion. I know many of you do, and I know that all of you are capable of it. So hopefully you guys can do that. And if this isn't the spot for you to do that, I understand. Let me know. Like, don't string me along. I don't want to string you along. I want people that are committed to the big picture, and I also want people to start exerting, you know, a level, like, we want to have fun, but not fun at the expense of becoming complacent. We don't have to do bigger things because, you know, it's fun to work here. It's fun because we create revenue through helping people. If you can't create the revenue through helping people, the thing doesn't work. You know, we're not government subsidized to hang out here and have fun together. We're incentivized to have a great culture. But it's protect that culture, we have to work hard to help more people. Okay? No matter what your role is, you're helping an agent help more people, you're helping yourself help more people, you're helping each other help more people. If you're in an incremental role where every single time you talk to someone, you can help that individual person, you also have to understand that there's a potential to scale to being someone that helps multiple people help multiple people. That's that value ladder that you create your own value ladder. Sometimes you think of a value ladder as like, what does our company provide to the world? That's our value ladder. But you have an individual value ladder. And you want to climb that ladder. So, but the way you climb it is to be the best at the role that you're given at the time. It's not to think, okay, I don't like where I'm at right now, why can't I do what he's doing? Because I know if I had that job, I'd commit. If you can't commit in the role that you're in, then you're not gonna commit at the next role, I promise. Because you're chasing something, you're trying to fill a void. I can't remember who said it. Halsey said you can never fill that void with money, drugs, and cars. You guys heard that lyric? People in life are always trying to fill a void. That's what they're doing. They fill it with religion. They fill it with trying to make money. They fill it with, time off with their family. It's all bullshit. If you don't feel like real purpose in what you're doing, that's what makes you happy. That's the only thing you can fill a void in. And if you do that, money and a quality family time and all that other stuff can follow. But if you don't have the purpose, what you're doing, and the purpose though, and this is like another myth, because people will tell you, go out and do something you're passionate about. Well, shit, what you're passionate about might not bring you anything in life, right? What if I'm passionate about, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches?
It's me.
Okay, so I'm sure that none of you got up and said, I'm passionate about selling health insurance. You didn't. But if you're passionate about being part of something that's bigger than yourself and that, can grow and that you can feel proud of, I'm passionate about feeling proud of it. At 18 years old, I joined the Marine Corps because I was like, yeah, my dad does insurance, but that seems boring. I don't want to do that. I want to put in the Marine Corps. And then the Marine Corps take you away from your family a lot. So I was like, well, I want to get back around my family. So then I get into the insurance industry. I actually found passion in it because my work was directly reflected in the revenue that I created for myself and just feeling proud of having the autonomy to create processes that increase efficiency and build something. And you can do that in any role in here. Whether you're creative, whether you're administrative, whether you're contracting, we don't sit around and baby you to say, here's the cookie cutter process. You guys are all at a point right now where you're creating the process. And that's pretty cool because you're getting to pave the way for, if we have 2,000, when we have 2,000 employees, you can be the person to I fucking created this process, And there's a point where it does get kind of corporate, and you're having to deal with people that, are gonna be at that bottom of the totem pole coming into this corporate ladder. But right now, you're not doing that. You guys are getting to pave the way for us. So you're doing a really good job with that. So anyway, thank you very much.
It's time to grow your agency like a guru. Introducing Go Guru Pro. The Go High Level platform allows for minimizing software-based subscriptions and grants control over several facets of marketing and communication. Automate your workflow, communicate with your leads, book appointments in advance, and house all your clients in one secure location. Visit goguru.pro and schedule your one-on-one demo today.